Just like me, if you also struggled with deploying your GitHub pages which uses Docusarurus, then I have the fix for you. First, check if the URL matches the name, has your username .github.io and the base URL is / and the organization name is your username. Check if the deployment branch is set to GH pages. Now, even after all this and you run git user npm run deploy and it doesn't work, go to settings, select pages, and here in the branch section, select the GH pages branch and click save. This will create a GH pages branch that generates HTML files from your main repository, main Docusarurus repository, and then deploy it. You can track the latest deployment and then wait for a few minutes for the changes to take place.